Hello class! Today we're going to be learning about positive and negative space, and we're going to make a collage so that we can practice what the positive and negative space is and what the differences are. We're going to be using colored construction paper, our scissors, markers or pencils, and glue sticks to glue our shapes on. Let's get started. Step number 1. We're going to take a half of sheet of paper, colored paper, and we're going to be cutting out a shape. We can either do a simple half of a heart, then this would be the other half, or we can, if you're confident, we can do a butterfly, so one half of a butterfly, and half of the body. You can even draw your section on the body, half of the head. Don't draw the antennas, you're probably going to cut them off. So right now, just half of the head, half of the body, 2 wings instead of 4 wings. Next step will be to cut our butterfly out carefully. Try not to zigzag. Try to do one straight line as long as you can around it. Try not to do this too much so it's not all zigzaggy. Nice and clean cut around your butterfly. When you're ready, you have 2 pieces of paper now. You've got the cutouts and you have the one that we drew and cut it out. So you have this one, is called the negative space. Or the environment around the butterfly, what is in the background, which is the background. And the positive space, or the shape that we were looking for to draw, which was the butterfly. Positive shape. What we are looking at, or what we drew, the butterfly. Can you see it? Now we're gonna glue our shape on a bright piece of paper. A collage. Collage is made gluing different papers together, different textures together, in order to create one unique, cohesive piece of artwork. For texture, for collage, artists also use different magazines and different pictures that they can put together to create a brand new piece of artwork. So we have the positive space butterfly. We're going to glue our negative space now back on. Or we could have done it with heart. And if we have done it with heart, if you chose the heart shape, the simple heart shape, instead of the butterfly background, it would look like, so it would look like this. So positive space is the yellow of what you see, what comes out at you. Negative space equals the background. Can you see it? Okay, so we have either the positive space for the heart and in yellow here. And here our yellow is serving right now as a background to the butterfly. Okay. So I hope this is simple to see, and I want to show you some other examples of positive and negative space. This is a more complex collage that all the grades can try. It consists of different shapes collaged and we have the picture consisting of black and white collage, background, and landscape that is more complex. I'm probably going to teach this step by step and make another video for this particular piece. I hope you understand the difference between what is collage, what is positive and negative space. Again, you should now have your butterfly cut out, like so. And you can have a positive space of the butterfly, with the negative space being the background around the butterfly. Positive space, the yellow, or what you see here, the heart. Negative space is the background of the heart. Okay, so what we cut out. All right, so there are different ideas that you can come up with once you finish cutting out your butterfly. You can actually use scrap paper like this, and you can start decorating and collaging different shapes on your butterfly. For example, you can decorate your wings and put some hearts, and only decorate the front. In this case is the purple paper, and leave the background undecorated so there is a stark contrast. So I would just mosaic all of the purple areas. I would just put a mosaic on all of the purple areas. And I have a scrap paper and cutouts that I can put together for my butterfly to finish it with collage pieces and decorate it as pretty as possible. You can also use stickers if you like that, if you have some stickers available. Or these scrap papers are just absolutely wonderful because they allow you to create different details on your butterfly, and all you have to do is just take a piece of scrap, position it where you like it. If you don't like it here, maybe move it there, and create all kinds of patterns on the wings, and also decorate the other side, the purple. And do not decorate anything on this side, the yellow, for the background. So the foreground will be, in this case, the purple. That which you're looking at, that is like decorated. Background is going to be the more in the background image. Okay, so we can decorate the purple with little cutouts. Can be circles, can be hearts of that 1/3 color, like for example black or white. We can decorate it in different ways. So keep going until you cover this in much detail. You can even draw, if you have a white pencil, more details on top of your collage. So you can draw some lines on your black heart with white pencil, white crayon, any swirls to differentiate the background from the foreground. Now is your turn, and glue everything properly. Even this part needs to be also glued. Good luck, and I'm coming to look and help you get started.